Hi everyone, we are students of French School of Valencia. This school is part of an organization called the EFA, which allows people to follow French educational system outside of France. We are speaking for all our classmates and all schoolmates. Our school is in a city full of life and community spirit. Valencia is a place where people support each other in good and bad times.
On October 29th and in November, Dana occurred and devastated a major part of our city. These events touched us all deeply, and it was hard to believe but even harder to understand. At school, we came together to help. Some of us went to the places that were impacted, some donated, and others simply talked and supported each other. We learned how important it was to be united and kind during tough times.
Now, more than a month later, we see that people are still suffering. Many families and communities are still struggling to rebuild their lives. We want to remind you that they still need our help. That's why we made this video, to show that we care and to ask you to help us too.
We need your help. If you can send us a positive message, a postcard or drawings, it would mean a lot. Every act of kindness is taken into consideration. And if you can, also donate money. Together we can make a big difference.
The money we collect will go to CIP, L'Horta de Paiporta, a school completely destroyed by heavy rain. It will help them purchase school supplies and, more importantly, rebuild some classrooms so children can return to school as quickly as possible. This support will make their daily lives a little easier and bring hope for the future.
Let's turn sadness into hope and show that we care. Every little action counts. Together, we can make the world a better place. Thank you for your support.